I bought the form for all of them. All of them.
Oh, you're confirming what we've been saying.
I said, look, we're the team, I bought the form. I'm not hiding it. I gave them.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. That was the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, and former Governor of Rivers State, Nyesom Wike, boasting before live television in a syndicated interview with TVC and other major television networks in Nigeria, boasting that he was the one that bought the nomination forms for all the members of Rivers State House of Assembly. And so that for you to now understand why the 27 lawmakers who defected from the APC, from the People's Democratic Party to the APC in December 2023, but who has now been cleared by the Supreme Court of Nigeria of allegedly not defecting, why they are beholden to Nyesom Wike instead of being beholden to people of Rivers State. This is why they are beholden to one man instead of to the people of Rivers State. That is why they can go on to support the withholding of the allocation of Rivers people, so that teachers, doctors, nurses, and all the civil servants will suffer because of their own interest instead of the interest of Rivers people. They want to cripple their state. They are doing all the things they are doing to frustrate Governor Simi Fubara, because Nyesom Wike, as you heard him in that video, made it open. He said he's not hiding it, that he bought the forms for them. That form, he has used that form supposedly to have enslaved them, that many of them are not thinking about their state. What they are thinking about is politics. It is all about the interests of Nyesom Wike and their own personal interests, and not about the interests of Rivers people. That is why people should watch them closely as they keep on pushing for what their final plan to impeach Simi Fubara. That they are not doing it because Simi Fubara did anything wrong, but because they are doing it for the person that bought forms for them. And not only buying forms for them, because if you listen to the complete interview, he said that those forms were given to them to avoid unnecessary contest. So these people felt indebted to Nyesom Wike. You can imagine in a constituency, in a state constituency, where several people were interested to represent their people. Those people were still told, no, don't contest. Governor Wike has bought form. This is the person that is going to represent this constituency. We have only one form from Governor Wike at that time, and that means that that person feel indebted to Nyesom Wike instead of being indebted to his constituents and to his people. That is what you see being played out. That is why it appears that Nyesom Wike is so strong that whatever he says, those lawmakers, they're always doing it. Is for you to know the background of how he was able to capture them. He was able to capture them because he used his own powers financially to buy funds for them. Now, the story of whether it was his money or the state's money they use in buying the forms is a debate for another day. But these people feel indebted to him, and these people feel that what he has done for them, shutting out all other potential contestants and allowing them, they owe him a lot. But they forgot that the state is bigger than any individual. The state all of them will live and die one day, but River State will still remain. The people of River State will still remain. That is the situation of life, but it doesn't matter to them. And it is also the reason why it appears that Simi Fubara is handicapped. People feeling that Simi Fubara was not able to rein in these people. It is also because of this kind of situation that those people feel that they owe their position to the former governor and now minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. But it's not supposed to be like that. You are not supposed to put somebody's political interest above that of the state that you are supposed to preside over. Because if they think about their state, they will not push for the resources of the state to be withheld in Abuja. They will not push for impeachment. Instead, they will accept the reconciliatory move that Simi Fubara is making towards them. Of course, we know that there are other things also. These people also believe that Nyesom Wike has a way with the judiciary, that he has a way of getting himself victory through the judiciary. So they believe that they will achieve success through Nyesom Wike. So that was why they were digging in instead of reconciling with the governor before the Supreme Court verdict. Now that they feel that the Supreme Court has validated them, they are still foot dragging. They are still dragging the state back instead of putting the state above Nyesom Wike. They are putting Nyesom Wike above the state. That is why even when the governor Simi Fubara was telling them the need for a meeting, they were trying to stonewall, dictating the direction, threatening the commissioners, threatening this and that. But like a legal man, Sam Hamade has said, in the respect of the commissioners of the threats that they gave to Simi Fubara, that he must present the commissioners to his office. I think Simi Fubara should also listen to people like Sam Hamade, who are giving pro bono consultancy service to Simi Fubara, to remind Simi Fubara that he can run River State even without commissioners, if that is an issue. All he has to do to redesignate those who are occupying those positions. After all, we all know in this country, Arebweshola ran Osun State almost the whole time without commissioners, and heavens didn't fall. So as Sam Hamade pointed out in his analysis, you don't need a commissioner. You don't need commissioners to run a state. PAMSEX can run a state. So all these, they are shenanigans, stonewalling, trying to frustrate Governor Simi Fubara because somebody bought form for them, because somebody told others not to contest, and they were the only ones that could contest in their constituency, under the PDP. Therefore, they felt beholden to that person. Then they can do anything. Every peace effort is being frustrated by these same people. Every move that Simi Fubara has made, they keep on frustrating it. Even the issue of crisis in River State, they were the ones that started it. Simi Fubara was not the one that started the crisis in River State. They were the one that imposed that crisis on him. 6 months after he was sworn in on May 29, 2023. By December, these people were already planning to impeach him. This was despite the fact that virtually all the commissioners and the strategic appointees was made by Nyesom Wike. In fact, Simi Fubara inherited commissioners of Nyesom Wike and all. Yet these people are not satisfied. They were plotting to impeach him. By December, 2023. Who does that? Barely 6 months in office. That was when these people, in their political maneuvering, defected and announced their defection from the PDP to APC. Now they have denied it, and Supreme Court of Nigeria, that can deliver whatever they can deliver, has given them the legal backing. So it wasn't Fubara that was the problem of River State, ab initio. It was these lawmakers who were acting or the scripts of somebody who bought form for them. So let it be clear so that people will know, as all these things unfold, that it wasn't Civil Fubara's fault that crisis started in River State. It was imposed on him by these lawmakers who are acting because somebody bought forms for them. That's my take. I don't know what to think about this. Why do you think? What is your position on the lingering River State crisis? Was it linked to Nyesom Wike buying forms for them and telling every other person to step down for them, that they are now feeling that they are beholden to him? Is it right in a democracy for people to put personal interest above the interest of the state? And what can be done to stop this kind of thing playing out in Nigerian politics? What is your view? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.